To update any changes you make in your spreadsheet on your SpatialXL layers, you can use the Update Layer Extend and Refresh Map buttons here in the SpatialXL ribbon. The Update Layer Extend button is to update any data changes that happen outside your current data range. For example, if you add any new columns or rows of data to your spreadsheet. The Refresh Map tools allow you to update any data within your current range of data. As an example, we'll firstly add a new column to our spreadsheet. So currently our spreadsheet data runs to column AB. And if we check this in our customer layer, which is mapped from the spreadsheet, we click on the customer properties, data tab, you'll see that the current range here also displays from columns A to AB. We'll now add a column to our data. So for example, we'll insert a column here. And if we run to the end of our current range, you'll see we now run to column AC. So to update this in our map layer, we firstly click on a cell within the range of our current data set, and then we'll click Update Layer Extend. By clicking this button, we'll now update our map layer to also include the new column that we've added in our data. To check this, we can go back to our customer properties, select the Data tab, and you'll see that the columns now range from column A to AC. You can also change the columns here as well manually by increasing or decreasing the range here. This works in the same way as clicking the Update Layer Extend button. The same applies if we had to add new rows to our spreadsheet. So for example, if we had to add 10 new customers to the bottom of our spreadsheet with all their data, we'd again firstly click on a cell within our current range of data and then click Update Layer Extend. And these 10 new customers would appear on the map with all the data. If you'd set up any themes, the data will automatically be populated in the themes as well. To make any changes to data within your current data range, you'll then click on the Refresh Map button. If Auto Refresh is ticked on, any changes that you make to data within your current mapped range should automatically refresh and update on the map. If not, you can click on the Refresh Map button here, and that will update and refresh your spreadsheet or your data within your current range and update on the map.